For the latest information regarding the COVID-19 pandemic in Cupertino, please visit cupertino.org/coronavirus.
Hi everybody, thank you for joining us. I'm Larry Little. Fires and smoke continue to impact Santa Clara County and surrounding counties and other counties in the Bay Area. This morning we are providing an update on the affected areas, evacuation information, and of course information about air quality. Let's jump right into it by looking at a map here provided by Google, just showing the fire area, the affected areas. You can see here Joseph D. Grant County Park, Henry W. Cole State Park, those areas borderline where the affected areas, and those places are closed. Let's just take it full screen here, Luis, so people can see this map from Google. It's updated every single hour, but it is for information purposes only. One thing you would want to do is to stay up to date on what's happening is go to, and I see we have the map here. There's a better map showing you the areas in red and yellow where our county is being affected. And you can see Gilroy and much more of the county covered in this area. You can also see the fires that are taking place all around us. We have fires working in Santa Cruz, also in Monterey County as well. Now, the way to stay up to date on information as it's happening is to go to alertscc.org, sign up, fill out the information to get information to your phone, by email, or even to a landline. You can also text your zip code to 888-777, and you will receive emergency alerts from the county. Now, one great thing about Alert SCC, it allows you to put several locations in. So for example, you can I put in my home location and my work location. If you live in Mountain View and your parents live in South County, you can put their zip code in and get alerts for their location. Let's go ahead and take a look at the evacuations as of yesterday from CAL FIRE here. You can see the map area, and we're jumping around to a lot of things here. Just bear with us this morning. You can see the area that has been evacuated here and evacuation warnings. The red area is an evacuation order zone, and the yellow area is evacuation warning zone. Now, the difference is if you receive an evacuation order, there is an immediate threat to your life. This is a lawful order, and you are required to leave the area or leave a public access area. Now, if you are elderly or you need assistance getting out and you just can't make it out, we are requesting that you call 911 to get assistance. If you know of elderly community members living in your neighborhood as well, and they need assistance and you cannot help them, call 911 for help. Now, if you have an evacuation warning, there is a potential threat to life or your property. Those who require additional time to evacuate and those with pets and livestock should leave. Now, you do not have to leave your pets behind. Please don't do that. What you can take your pets with you. We have several evacuation centers that are being staffed by the American Red Cross. Now, you can take your pets with you because what they're doing is giving vouchers to hotels. And my understanding is we're getting information that some of those vouchers are being given for 1 or 2 nights. Well, if you need it for more, you're still in an evacuation area, go back to the Red Cross. And we have those centers here. There are 3 centers, evacuation centers that are being worked by the American Red Cross. Now, these are not shelters. Okay, so you see Creekside Middle School, that's in Patterson, Milpitas Library, of course, Milpitas on Main, and the Ann Sobrato High School, 401 Burnett Avenue in Morgan Hill. Go to these locations. They will assist the needs of you and your family since you have been displaced by the evacuation order. Now, we have a hotline here that you can call. Now, this hotline is for people who have been evacuated already. So you can get more information. Once you call this number here, we are advising you on which center you should go to, which one is closest to you. And once you're there, the American Red Cross will work with you. That number is 408-808-7778. And of course, we're providing a lot of information this morning. So I will go back into the post for this Facebook Live segment and update the information with the numbers and websites that you're seeing. So if you have pets and you have a number of pets, for some reason you can't take them with you, call the County of Santa Clara Animal Services at 408-686-3900. Again, that number is 408-686-3900 for assistance. If you have livestock, the number to call, horses, livestock, 925-584-1976. It's for large animals in the Canyon Fire area. But if you don't live in that area, you don't have livestock in that area, still give them a call, see who can assist you. We want to take a look at air quality today. Our air quality is going to be very unhealthy today. So we are recommending, if you work outside, limit it to 60 minutes. It's best that you're now not outside at all. And we know we're still dealing with COVID-19. So outdoor dining is not recommended. Also, personal care services, which haircuts and nail salons, massages being done outside. We do not recommend that you are outside today. And also, we recommend that you don't exercise as well. Very unhealthy air quality today. I want to go back to the County of Santa Clara's emergency operations wildfire hotlines. These numbers are just coming in. We have 2 additional numbers to add to the 408-808-7778 number. And those numbers are 916-618-3195. Again, that number is 916-618-3195. The next number is 669-247-7431, 669-247-7431. We are recommending that the media please don't call that line. We want to keep that line open to community members. So we have a media line, and that media line is 925-588-6809. So I want to go to, and Jeff, you may have to zoom in here. A pretty good resource to go to is the City of Morgan Hills website. But of course, if you signed up for Alert SEC, you're going to be fine. A lot of the information is provided here. On Morgan Hills website, they have all of the information where you can click on the links. We'll get it there. And you can see here, you can see the City of Morgan Hills evacuation map, which is updated, CAL FIRE's evacuation map. You can also get all of the information from the CAL FIRE SCU Lightning Complex Fire Incident webpage. This is a great information resource page for you. Also, you can get information on CAL FIRE's Twitter update. So a lot of helpful information here on Morgan Hills website. I want to go, and bear with me. Okay, let's just go back and take a look here at the fire incident webpage, and you can see here all of the information. It tells you how many acres are currently being worked, how many are contained. Only 10% contained right now. The fires have been active for 2 days, and 5 counties are being affected. So a lot of information here. This is a great resource. Some of those evacuations, we have a list here, a very long list for Santa Clara County. Now, one thing we want you to do is really pay attention. Don't rely on the systems. If you have to, use these resources, but sign up for Alert SEC as well. But what we want you to do is be aware of your surroundings. Know what's happening around you, because you may not get an alert fast enough for you to make a move. Don't wait on someone to advise you to evacuate. If you see that a dangerous situation is presented to you and your family, we are requesting that you take initiative and evacuate on your own, and then use your cell phones. Keep your cell phones powered up and your mobile devices powered up as well, so you can go to the resources page and you have the addresses and you have the numbers of everything that you need. Lots of information. Again, it will be posted in the segment for this Facebook Live post. Hard to believe we are still in the middle of a pandemic. COVID-19 is still here. Let's take a look at the data dashboard. As of today, we have 15,258 cumulative cases, 180 new, and we're fine with that, Luis. 217 deaths, of course, 1 new, and hospital at 162. Of course, our thoughts are with the families who have lost loved ones due to COVID-19, and our thoughts are with the firefighters who are out battling these fires, in the line of fire, trying to keep our community safe. And we really appreciate the American Red Cross stepping up to do everything they do to assist our community. Well, that's going to do it for this edition of Live with the County of Santa Clara. Remember to follow our social media pages to stay updated on information, as well as go to alertscc.org and sign up so that you're getting the up-to-date information on fires and evacuations in our area. Facebook Live in Spanish is up at 11, and we will see you back here. We're going to be working all through the weekend to keep you updated, so just stay tuned. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be safe. Enjoy your day.
For the latest information regarding the COVID-19 pandemic in Cupertino, please visit cupertino.org/coronavirus.